Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access and a stable connection because updates require both. Once ready, close resource-heavy tabs and extensions to prevent interference. Now open Chrome from your Start menu or dock, then click the three-dot menu at the top right. You need to navigate to Help and then About Google Chrome. This page triggers the updater. Make sure to note the current version so you can confirm the update actually installs. Once on the About page, Chrome automatically checks for and starts downloading an available update. You trigger the process by waiting on that screen. As it downloads, watch the progress indicator. This verifies file integrity and ensures components apply in the right order. Make sure background tasks remain running because interrupting them can corrupt the update. If the download stalls, pause other network-heavy apps. Once verification completes, Chrome will prepare to relaunch. Do not close the window until prompted. You finish by clicking Relaunch when prompted. Chrome will close and reopen, restoring your tabs so you lose minimal context. After relaunch, return to About Google Chrome to confirm the new version number, and then test frequently used sites and extensions to ensure compatibility. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to restart your computer and retry the update, because hung processes or low disk space often block installers. If that fails, temporarily disable conflicting security software before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.